Hi, this is Sanjay Kumar Verma from Unikaksha. So in this session, we are going to discuss how to inject of your SSH key in AWS account, right? So my dear friend, right now, we are using SSH key which are already available in my AWS web console. So those keys are using by me. So using of these keys, I am able to access of my EC2 instance. But now, my dear friend, I want to create my own key and I want to use that key and I want to use to inject these key in my EC2 instance. Alright. So now I will show you in my AWS portal which key I am using. So you can see currently I am using the root wall key, right? These are the fingerprints. So here I want to inject my SSH key. So first of all, what to do? We have to create the SSH key on my Linux machine and then we have to inject these SSH key in my AWS web console, right? So let me jump on my Linux server. So this is my Linux machine, right? So now we have to run off this command. So SSH-keygen, this command will generate the key. The key name is terraform.ec2, right? So now, yes, do the LL. So friends, you can see I have keys. This is my private key and this is my public key. So my dear friend, I want to inject this key in the AWS web console. So how to do? Let's see. So here, let me create a resource file like vim ssh key.tf, right? And let me paste the code, right? So try to understand. Now you can share the name, any name. This is the my first. I'm going to change the name, right? SSH key server, correct? You have to change the AMI ID because after some time AWS automatically change the IDs, so might be this ID is not available, so we have to take another ID. And my dear friend, one more thing, when you are getting the AMI ID, always choose those AMI ID which have a architecture 64-bit and x86, because this is 32-bit and 64-bit supported. Please don't take ARM architecture because your hardware will not be supported. That's why. So I am going to take this one. Initially copy, and now we have to paste this ID here. Okay, and this is the key. Perfect. And now what I'm going to do, you are going to share this key with the cloud. Terraform EC2 key, correct? Key name, this is Terraform EC2 key, and I'm going to inject the public key, right? Let me save and quit. Okay, then now we have to run the Terraform validate if everything is fine. Please wait. Wow, I'm getting the error. Perfect. It's a error related to interpolation. Invalid function argument. Let me check now. Where is the problem? Actually, my dear friends, when I was getting this error, so these SSH keys was not available on that, because these at that time initially it was available on root home directory. So I have copied these two files inside the my working directory because my plugins and all the supporting files are available, so my keys are available. So when I'm going to run the Terraform validate, so now you can see it's going to success, right? So now we have to run the Terraform plan. So friends, when I'm going to apply the Terraform apply command, so it's going to create my first instance, right? So my first, that means this is the name of my SSH key server. You can get the detail, right? My first, and this is my key, right? So it's going to create, correct? Let me, and now you can see this is the key which is going to injected by me in the cloud, right? Terraform EC2 key, right? This is the key, correct? And now what to do? We have to share the yes. Please wait. Yes. It's a creating Terraform key pair. Now it's a creating my first instance, which is the name of my SSH key server. So now you can see two I did. So let me jump on the AWS Web Console, right? So where it is my EC2, cancel and exit, right? So this server is already running in my portal, so it's going to initialize. Yeah, so please wait. So guys, now you can check your Terraform key should be available in the AWS cloud. So now you can see my key is available, Terraform EC2 key. Wow, great. Let me check now my instance is reachable or not. So we can connect it. Click on connect and copy this SSH path, and let me jump on my Linux box, because you know my key is available at this location, so you have to paste this path. And now please wait. So it's not able to find out the PAM file, so not to worry. First of all, we have to change the permission of this chmod 400 Terraform. Just a second, Terraform underscore EC2, right? And now we have to change this Terraform, right? EC2 with the Terraform, correct? -EC2. Where is the key? Underscore .pam, correct? Okay, then now you can reach out of this. So now my instance is reachable. Now you can see, yes, you can see this is my EC2 instance. This is the private IP, and when I will hit the lsblk command, so you can see, you can verify this IP 172.31.2.166. This is the private IP of my EC2 instance, right? This one, let me, yeah, you can check out. This is the same, correct? So like this, you can inject of your SSH key in AWS Web Console. So this is the idea behind of this. So this is the key. Thank you so much.